Thank you for joining us. This video is how to set the Victor out of sight mole trap. This video is brought to you by rodentman.com. Feel welcome to contact us if you have any questions or if you need a Victor out of sight mole trap. When you get the Victor out of sight mole trap from your provider, one thing unique that you'll find right away is the fact that it comes with a pair of setting tongs. Not too many traps come with them, but the reason is because it's very difficult to set without them. Also, when you get the Victor out of set mole trap, you'll notice that this here rod, which I call the trigger rod, is caught between the two jaws, so you're going to need to swing it off to one side there so we can get it out. Another feature that I need to point out is the safety hook, and when we're set the trap, the safety hook locks these two jaws or the top of these two jaws together it into a safety position. Also, since the last few years Victor has made a change to the traps. They have put a black powder coating on. That's why it's black and shiny. And the problem with that is they're too slick to set sometimes. So what you need to do, and I've done it to this trap, is you need to remove the powder coating from the end of the trigger rod, and also on the pan, right at the very end of the pan, at the edge there. You need to go along there. I use a high-speed steel wire brush to remove the powder coating. I'm sure a piece of sandpaper or something like that would also work, but you need to get the slick surface of this powder coating off of the trap. Okay, set the trap. Each of the tongs need to be locked, come in from the outside. They set on the spring and against it that way. So that's 1 and 2. Then to set the trap, we need to squeeze them together. And when I do this, I like to use the palm of my hand so I can have my fingers to grab the opposite setting tong. And then the first thing I'm going to do when I get them hooked together is use this safety latch to hook everything in the set position. Okay, so we push together. Grab a hold, then I hook over the safety latch, make sure it's down all the way, which it is. Now the trap is hooked in a semi-set position. It's very safe because the safety latch is hooked and nobody's going to get hurt. Now typically trappers will go out and make their set with the trap in this position, put it down into the run and push the dirt down and put the pan tied up against it, and the final thing they will do is make the final set. And to do the final set is exactly, we just squeezed it a little more than we did the first time with our setting tongs, and which I'll do now. Then we need to hook the trigger rod in the groove behind the pan, which is just like that. Now the trap is 100% set in the set position. However, I still have the safety latch here hooked, and the last thing that you'll do in the field when you make the set is flip over the safety hook. And now at this point we have a live trap. And for safety reasons, of course, I'm going to put the safety latch back on. Okay, that is how you set the Victor out of sight mole trap. This is a very good trap. It's the only one like it. It's made by Victor. And if you need a trap or if you have any questions, you can contact me, Rodent Man, at rodentman.com. Thank you for watching.